Still coughing after the flu? Stop! Your lungs are literally scarring right now. Stubborn mucus isn't just annoying, it's a breeding ground for bacteria. If you don't clear it, you're looking at chronic lung damage. Grab an onion. Its quercetin instantly coats your throat and melts away thick mucus. Mix it with raw honey for a powerful natural syrup. Add ginger and thyme. These are nature's strongest anti-inflammatories. They'll flush out toxins and restart your immune system instantly. Stop suffering and start detoxing your lungs. Subscribe now for more life-saving hacks.